When I say go, please show me how quietly you can sit with a partner. Go. Closest person. If you don't have a partner, hustle to the middle. There we go, and we'll make one group of 3. Now, do they stay seated in the center circle? No. JJ, will you please stand tall? Look how JJ is standing and his partner is sitting. When I say go, I would like your group to show me the same thing. Go. 1 up, 1 down. If you are the partner that is standing, watch Mrs. Neal. You are going to hustle over. You are going to grab 1 playground ball. JJ, can you stand like a statue? Watch how I step and roll the ball or bowl the ball with 1 hand and try to hit. Oh man, I missed. You're going to try to hit your partner's feet for 100 points.
It's okay.
Thank you. Standing partner, go get a ball.
Yeah, I go get a ball.
Very good. Stand as still as a statue. Make sure the bowling pin doesn't move, okay? So feet together, Cody. Standing still, you're going to bowl. Oh, so close. Cody's going to grab it for you. This time, Owen's standing like a bowling pin. I'm going to use 2 hands, and I'm going to roll the ball across the floor. Yes, and try to hit his feet. You try. Go ahead, rolling. Okay, stand still. Oh, nice job. Freeze. Give me a thumbs up if you're able to hit your target. Nice job. Partner with the ball. You're going to stand still. Partner without the ball. Watch this. Harper, can you hustle over and grab a bowling pin for Mrs. Neal? Watch this. Harper's going to hustle over. She's going to stand next to her partner. And Harper, you're going to take 5 giant steps forward. So stand right here next to your partner. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She puts the bowling pin down. She's going to step to the side, and it's your turn to try to roll and knock that pin over. Let's see how she does. Oh, so close. Partner without the ball. Go grab a bowling pin. Let's go. Nice try. So close. Oh, Owen, so close. Harper, you got it. You got 2 in a row? Nice job. Yes, you did it. Freeze. Shh. Let's try that freeze again. Hands in the air. Ball on the floor. Andrew. Freeze. Very nice job. Give me a thumbs up if you were able to knock your pin over. Watch this one. Little bit trickier. Harper, will you demonstrate? This time her bowling pin stays there, but guess what? Harper's going to turn around backwards. Spread your feet shoulder width apart. 2 hands. She's going to try to roll it. Awesome, she did it. You try. Go ahead. Let's see it, boys. 5 giant steps away. Okay, so now you turn around, Andrew. You're going to put your feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to roll with 2 hands. Awesome. Very nice, Andrew. Freeze. Oh, Dylan, you're being such a good listener. Thank you. Stand tall. When I say go, I have a job for each of you. I need 1 partner to carefully set the ball back in the hula hoop. First grade, now are we going to throw it? No. Should we have the ball in our hands yet? Nope, should be on the floor. So let me see who's being a good listener. Ball on the floor. The other partner is going to take the hula hoop, and where are we going to put it away at? In front of the rock wall. Once you're done, standing on the blue circle. Go.